Hi there, welcome to the Strayos Academy. Today we're going to walk through drone-based stockpile management. Firstly, to set up stockpiles for a new site, Strayos Artificial Intelligence can automatically detect stockpile boundaries. Users can then manually create or update boundaries if required. The next time you fly the site, you can copy these stockpiles across to make accurate comparisons and track changes over time. After setting up stockpile boundaries, you can also assign them material types, which enable the calculation of weight and value. You can also set up automated workflows to email others once measurements are ready for review. Finally, managers can log in through the inventory dashboard to see charts showing the latest view of material quantities and values aggregated by site, region, or organization. To learn more, head over to strayos.com. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.